Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Wednesday, August the 19th. With a change of trend today and the potential harami pattern that we had yesterday, which is a bullish reversal pattern in this case, came to fruition. We now have a candle with a higher high and a higher low, which means that we had a change of trend in the first time frame to the upside, although we still have a trend in the second time frame to the downside. Just looking at the second time frame, we have a peak, a trough, a lower peak, and a lower trough still. So we still have a second time frame downtrend, but a first time frame uptrend. So we're getting a retracement of the second time frame uptrend. Looking at the characteristics of the candle, we have a body roughly the same size as yesterday, so it means that the bulls have made roughly the same net gain as the previous day, which is good. It's what you want to see if you're bullish. And also we've seen the close up near the high of the day, which means that the bulls have closed in control and they're showing some commitment to taking this market higher. Also, we've got a shadow on the bottom, which means that initially the bears tried to sell the market off, but the bulls have come in and bought the market back and closed the market up near or towards the high. Now, this 1,000 level again is acting as an area of resistance for the market, where the market had trouble trading up above there. So the 1,000 level becomes important for the next day. And then especially up around this region, when we start to trade up around the 1,018 level, that's essential for the market to close up above there with a solid close before we have any potential trading up to around 1,044, which is the next area of resistance. So potential here for the market to continue trading up, but we have a few levels here and fairly strong levels that we need to trade through before we have any decent price appreciation. Now at the moment, the target on the head and shoulders pattern that we identified hasn't been met, but the target has been completed, and targets aren't always met. But there is still a chance that the second time frame downtrend will continue to influence the market. So we need to watch the low of the current candle for that to be taken out, for the second time frame downtrend to to continue on its way down. If that does happen, we have support here at the Kijun-sen, which is at 964, then at this previous resistance level at 956, and then down around, here at this previous resistance level at 931, and then down around the Kumo. If the market does trade down to the Kumo in this region is very thin, so there is potential for the market to trade down below there if it does, but we need a lot of trading down below there, and it shouldn't happen for quite some time. It'll be quite a severe sell-off if the market does trade down anywhere near here, but we're not likely to see that within the next few days at least anyway. Just looking at the other Ichimoku indicators, we are trading above the cloud, which means that the market still has an overall positive bias, and we're trading above the Kijun-sen, which means that the market is bullish, but we're trading down below the Tenkan-sen, which means in the short term we have some bearishness in the market. We have the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen, which means that we have bullishness in the market. So important for us to close above the 1,000 level and then attempt to close up above the 1,018 with a solid close. And if that doesn't happen, the low of the current candle becomes important for a potential new first time frame downtrend and continuation of the second time frame downtrend.